Water is one of the most important natural resources on Earth because it is essential for the survival of human, animal, and plant. Water continuously moves through a natural process called the water cycle, which helps maintain the balance of water on our planet. The water cycle consists of four main stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. The project was carried out to help users understand how the water cycle works in nature and its importance in our daily life. Through this project, we can also develop greater awareness about water conservation and environmental protection.
Now, I would like to present the objective of our project, which focus on understanding the water cycle. The first objective is to understand the main stage of the water cycle, namely evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. This stage explains how water moves continuously between the Earth and the atmosphere. By understanding each stage, we can gain a clearly picture of how water is naturally recycled in the environment. The second objective is to explain how water continuously circulates in nature. The water cycle is an ongoing process that never stops. Water from rivers, lakes, oceans, and other water bodies evaporates due to the heat from the sun, from clouds, and eventually return to Earth as precipitation. This continuous circulation is essential for maintaining life and balancing ecosystems. The third objective is to understand the change in the states of water during the water cycle. Throughout this process, water changes from liquid to water vapor during evaporation and then back to liquid during condensation. Understanding this change helps us connect scientific concepts to real-life natural phenomena. Lastly, this project aims to enhance our understanding of science concepts through hands-on and visual learning activities. By using models, diagrams, experiments, and visual materials, learning becomes more interactive and engaging and easier to understand. In conclusion, these objectives help us develop a deeper understanding of the water cycle and its importance to sustaining life and maintaining the natural environment.
In summary, the Water Cycle Project integrates stream learning elements in the following ways. Science helps children understand the water cycle process, including evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Technology use components such as LED light, a water pump, a humidifier module, silicone pipes, and a PVC board to create an interactive model. Religion encourage children to appreciate water as a gift from God. Use it wisely and care for the environment. Engineering involves designing, building, and assembling the water cycle model while ensuring it functions properly. Overall, this project provides children with a meaningful and hands-on learning experience while developing their knowledge and skill across all stream elements. This phase focuses on understanding the water cycle as a natural and continuous process that occurs in the environment. The water cycle involves the movement of water between the Earth's surface and the atmosphere to several important stages. This topic was selected about it is a fundamental science concept and can be easily related to nature phenomena that we observe in our daily life. Kind of irrigation several inquiry questions we delivered. The inquiry include how the water cycle occurs, how water change from liquid into water vapor, and how clouds are formed because precipitation takes place. The question help us explore the topic in more systematic why and gain a better understanding of the scientific process involved. In addition, we reviewed our prior knowledge about the water cycle. We understood that the sun provides the heat energy needed from evaporation, and that rainfall occurs when cloud becomes saturated with water delivered. The stringent out understand information was collection from science textbook, online education resources, and introductional video related to the water cycle. The research provided a strong foundation for development of our project.
EBT students explore the water cycle through an hands-on model. They learn about the three main stages: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation by observing how water moves through each stage of the cycle. This activity helps students develop a clearer understanding of the water cycle while making science learning more engaging, interactive, and meaningful.
The invention is an interactive water cycle model designed to help students understand the natural water cycle through observation and hands-on learning. The model demonstrates the four main stages of the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection, by visually showing how water moves continually in nature. Students can understand scientific concepts more easily than through textbook alone. The project also encourages activity, participation, creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. In addition, it makes science learning more enjoyable and promotes STEAM education by integrating science, technology, religion, engineering, arts, and mathematics. Overall, the model serves as an effective education tool that helps students appreciate the importance of water and the environment in everyday life.
Next, I would like to present the reflection of our water cycle project. Through this project, we gain a better understanding of the water cycle and its main stage, which are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. We learn how water continuously moves through the environment and change from a state to another. This helped us understand that the water cycle is an important natural process that supports life on Earth. Moreover, this project allowed us to develop several important skills throughout the inquiry, research, and presentation process. We improve our creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities. We were encouraged to ask questions, analyze information, and find explanation for the scientific processes involved in the water cycle. The learning experience was also very meaningful because it involved hands-on activities and more demonstrations. These activities made the topic easier to understand and more enjoyable compared to learning through the theory alone. By observing models, diagrams, and practical examples, we were able to connect scientific concepts with real-life situations. So, this project enhanced our scientific understanding and encouraged active participation in learning. It showed us that science can be both interesting and relevant to our daily lives while helping us appreciate the importance of water in the environment.
The water cycle project enhances student understanding of the water cycle through hands-on learning. It made learning more visual, meaningful, and engaging while developing creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills through the stream approach. The project also increased awareness of the importance of water conservation and successfully connected theoretical knowledge with real life application.